वेलकम आप सभी का वालेंट स्टडी यूट्यूब चैनल पे। इस वीडियो में हम बायोलॉजी सेक्शन जे के बोपी का बीएससी नर्सिंग और पैरामेडिकल कोर्सेज का सीटी पेपर सीरीज सी 2020 के क्वेश्चंस और पैटर्न पर नज़र डालेंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। सेक्शन 3 बायोलॉजी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 121, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ फिजिकल बैरियर मेथड ऑफ कंट्रासेप्शन? Correct option diaphragms. B. Question number 122. The convoluted outer layer of the gray matter covering the cerebral hemispheres is cerebral cortex. Option number A. Question number 123. Which of the following means that neither allele can mask the expression of the other allele? Option number D. Codominance. Question number 124. Which of the following microbes is used as biocontrol agent in order to control butterfly caterpillars? Option number B. Bacillus thuringiensis. Question number 125. Which of the following option regarding dicotyledonous stem is incorrect? Option C. Vascular bundles are closed. Question number 126. The rate of production of organic matter during photosynthesis of an ecosystem is option D. Gross primary productivity. Question number 127. A symbiotic association between fungi and roots of higher plants is mycorrhiza. Option B. Question number 128. Read the following statement and choose the correct option. First, homologous organs are those that have same internal structures but their function differs. Second, analogous organs are those that basically have same function but not the same underlying structure. Option C. First and second are true. Question number 129. Biders canal found in the kidney of the frog carries which are the following from testes? Correct option B. Sperms. Question number 130. Large holes in Swiss cheese is due to the production of which of the following gas by bacteria? Option number D. Carbon dioxide. Question number 131. The Kilino fragment is a large fragment produced when DNA pool first from E. coli is enzymatically cleaved by the protease. Option number B. Subtilicin. Question number 132. The molecular structure of chlorophyll consists of 4 nitrogen atoms surrounded by a canal. Option number A. Magnesium atom. Question number 133. Sickle cell anemia is a disease in which the body produces abnormally shaped red blood cells that have a crescent or sickle shape. The disease is inherited in option number C. Autosomal recessive pattern. Question number 134. Lysosomes are also known as suicidal wax because they, option number C, help in digestion of foreign bodies and worn out cell parts. Question number 135. The smallest taxon of classification which contains only one type of organism is option number D, species. Question number 136. Which of the following cell organelle in plant cell is bounded by a single membrane? Correct option B, vacuole. Question number 137. In many plants, taproot becomes swollen and assumes various forms due to storage of food. The form of taproot found in radishes. Option number D, fusiform. Question number 138. According to light reaction stage of photosynthesis in photosystem PSI, the reaction center chlorophyll A has an absorption peak at option number A, 700 nm. Question number 139. Which of the following type of plants are classified into phanerogames? Option number C, gymnosperms. Question number 140. Which of the following plant hormones mainly promotes seed dormancy? Option number D, abscisic acid. Question number 141. Which of the following organism is used in the production of butyric acid? Option number C. Clostridium butyriacum. Question number 142. A typical leaf consists of three parts, which includes all of the following except option number C. Tendril. Question number 143. Which of the following cell organelle in plant cell is also called dictyosomes? Option D. Golgi apparatus. Question number 144. The process of formation of seeds without fertilization in flowering plants is known as. Option C. Apomixis. Question number 145. Read the following statements and choose the correct option. First, a group of closely related classes having certain common characters is termed as phylum. Second, a group of closely related species having certain common characters is termed as genus. Correct option C. First and second are true. Question number 146. Choose the correct sequence of taxonomic categories showing hierarchical arrangement in ascending order. Option D. Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Question number 147. Which of the following Mendel's law of inheritance states that hybrid offsprings will only inherit the dominant trait in the phenotype? Option D. Law of dominance. Question number 148. Amniocentesis is a procedure mainly performed in humans to detect the option D. Genetic problems during prenatal development. Question number 149. The amount of oxygen required by bacteria to break down the organic matter present in a certain volume of a sample of water is called option number B. Biochemical oxygen demand. Question number 150. In humans, which of the following portion or region of the stomach opens in the first part of the small intestine? Question number option number C. Pyloric portion. Question number 151. The diagram used by the biologist to determine the probability of an offspring having a particular genotype is option number A. Punnett square. Question number 152. The transfer of genetic material from one population to another is termed as option number C. Gene pool. Question number 153. Which of the following is a type of automatic self-pollination of certain plants that can propagate by using non-opening self-pollinating flowers? Calistogamy. Option number A. Question number 154. Plasmolysis is a shrinkage of plasma membrane of protoplast from the cell wall due to option number D. Exosmosis. Question number 155. The vacuole is bounded by a membrane known as option number B. Tonoplast. The plant hormone gibberellins was first isolated from and named after a fungus called option number A. Gibberella fusiculae. Option number 157. Question number 157. Which of the following techniques is used in genetic engineering to make multiple copies of DNA? इसका correct option है polymerase chain reaction. Option number D. Which of the following principle states that in a large random mating population the gene pool tends to remain constant from generation to generation unless outside forces act to change it? Option number B. Hardy-Weinberg principle. Question 159. Musca domestica is a biological name of a housefly which belongs to the phylum Arthropoda. Option number C. Question 160. Which of the following is an abiotic component of an ecosystem? Water. Option A. Read the following statement and choose the correct option. First, epistasis is a phenomenon in which one gene influences the expression of another gene. Second, the gene that makes its expression is said to be static, and the gene which is masked is said to be hypostatic. Option number C, first and second are true. Question number 162. The non-essential parts of flower are sepals and petals. C option. Question number 163. Read the following statement regarding the reproduction in flowering plants and choose the correct option. First, flowers which contain either the androecium or the gynoecium are called unisexual flowers. Second, flowers which contain both androecium and gynoecium are called bisexual flowers. Option A, first and second are true. Question number 164. The formula to calculate net primary productivity NPP of an ecosystem is option number A. NPP is equal to GPP minus R. Question number 165. Which of the following microbes is used in the production of statins, which are used as blood cholesterol lowering agents? Option number B, Monoscus purpureus. Question 166. In plant cell, Krebs cycle takes place in mitochondria. Option B. Question number 167. The human excretory system includes the kidneys and their functional unit is nephrons. Option A. Question number 168. Which of the following is the largest part of the brain in humans? Correct option, cerebrum. C. Question number 169. Where are the parotid glands located in humans? Below and in front of ears. Correct option, C. The arrangement of ovules within the ovary is known as option C, placentation. Question number 171. The loss of water in the form of water vapor from the surface of aerial parts of the plants is called transpiration. Option D, B. Question number 172. Choose the correct sequence of stage of food processing in humans. Option B, ingestion, digestion, absorption, elimination. Question number 173. In humans, the right lung is divided into 3 lobes. Option B. Question number 174. Read the following statements and choose the correct option. First, energy in ecosystem always flows in unidirectional manner. Second, energy flows progressively from one tropic level to another and cannot revert back. Correct option A, first and second are true. Question number 175. Transfer of sperms into the female genital tract is known as option C, insemination. Question number 176. The testes in humans are situated outside the abdominal cavity within a pouch called option C, scrotum. Question number 177. A place in the environment where living organism lives and grows naturally is defined as option C, habitat. Question number 178. Read the following statement and choose the correct option. First, variation refers to the differences in the characteristics of individuals within a species. Second, heredity is the transmission of similar characteristics from parents to offspring. Correct option B, first and second are true. Question number 179. The cap-like structure of the sperm filled with enzymes which help in fertilization of the ovum is option A, acrosome. Question number 180. What is the function of filiform apparatus during reproduction in flowering plants? Option number B. It helps in the entrance of pollen tube into the embryo sac.